In today's video, I will teach you how to use the histogram in Lightroom. Let's get started. The histogram in Lightroom is a vital tool for understanding the tonal distribution of your image. It helps you gauge exposure, contrast, and color balance, allowing for precise adjustments. Now open Lightroom and navigate to the Develop module. The histogram panel is located at the top right of the screen. The histogram is a graphical representation of the tonal values in your image, ranging from pure black or the left side, or the pure white or the right side. The left side are the shadows, the middle are the midtones, and the right side are highlights. There are two key elements in the histogram. The first one is clipping indicators. The red and blue warnings in the histogram indicate clipping. Clipped highlights or red are areas where the brightness is too high, which makes you lose detail. And the clipped shadows or the blue areas are where the darkness is too deep, which also means losing detail. Another key element is tonal range distribution. The height of the graph shows the number of pixels at each tonal level. A well-balanced image typically has a spread across the entire histogram without excessive clipping. You can also make basic adjustments. You can interact directly with the histogram by clicking and dragging the tonal ranges. For example, the left or shadows adjust the darkest areas, and the midtones or exposure adjusts the overall brightness. And the right or highlights adjust the brightest areas. Alternatively, you can use the sliders in the basic panel like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks to adjust the tonal balance and see real-time updates in the histogram. And for fine-tuning, you can use the tone curve for more refined adjustments to specific tonal regions. The clarity, dehaze, and contrast sliders can also impact the tonal distribution. The histogram in Lightroom is an essential guide for analyzing and correcting the exposure and color balance of your photos. By learning to read and adjust based on the histogram, you can achieve better control over your editing process, resulting in more balanced and visually appealing images. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.